Hello guys, KManicPV here, and as I said in my previous video, well, I didn't really say, I commented that about the AVG, yeah, this one, I'm going to be doing an update on it, and look, I already cracked it, the new one. You must restart AVG, boom, everything's full. So yeah guys, all I did was put your name, and what I made a key which goes into their encoding system. So what it does, it basically puts you as administrator. Press next, see? Like, thank you for doing this. So yeah, look, now you have everything optimized. See, everything works. All you have to do is go to help. There should be something that says like register activate or something like that. And you just press it and put the key. And once you put the key, it should do that. Press finish, and then you just restart it. And I did this 5 times already. But yeah, the key will be in the description. You know what? I'll give it to y'all and download for like AVG won't investigate the number. If they're gonna investigate it, they have to download it. Alright, so I'll give it to y'all and download. I'll upload it now. Let me see. Alright, upload it to my uploader. Click to upload documents. You know what? I should have added more to it. I'm gonna add more to it. I'm back. I'm gonna pause the video if I could add more to it. Give you instructions for people who don't know. Alright, so I just finished it. There you go. That's it. Well, I wish y'all guys the best. And I will send it to y'all now. Okay. I think this one's it. Yeah. Alright. Gonna upload this video now. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.